Hello everyone, it is I, Ziggy Sweet once again. We are here with
brand new freaking best automatic airsoft guns. Yes, let's go.
Alright, he's very excited. It's Ferris Frost. There's mine.
Yay, yay, yay!
There's Ferris's. So,
It's awesome.
everything should be ready. I don't want to get my phone dead by getting shot, so we'll add on to this and see what happens. Anyways, we'll see.
Yeah, you'll know what happens.
Okay, it's me, Ziggy Sweet. I got foggy glasses. Kind of sucks. We're here at the Flint camp, and I'm gonna get shot because. Okay, game on.
No. It's not shooting. That's the problem.
Okay, so there's just behind that wall. Yep, game on. And you can hear. I think I should stay down low. Oh shit. Okay. I'm thinking about doing this. Just go for it. You surrender, yes or no? Yes or no?
What?
If you surrender, I win.
I know.
I win?
Yes.
Okay, game over.
You just came out of the side. I'm like, no.
I took a chance. That was a good game, buddy.
I can't even shoot.
Ready? It's too hard to do this. Oh shit! Whoa! I can't see, my goggles are foggy. I need to do something about that. It sucks. Okay. Stay low. Can't really aim and film. It's a problem. Okay. I wish my goggles weren't so fogged up. This sucks. I drilled extra holes in them. Now I can't see for crap. Alright. I hope my phone don't get shot. Oh, my fingers. I kind of hope he gets me. He just got me once. He has 3 lives, I have 2. He could be anywhere. And I'm too busy filming. And his helmet cam is dead. So it makes it difficult. And if he gets to shoot his dad, it'll make him feel good anyways. So I'm guessing he's right around here somewhere. I can tell you this gun's a lot heavier than those cheap piece of crap ones we got. I think he's over here. He could be anywhere, and I'm a sitting duck. And it's raining, so I don't want to. Out with these guns, I don't want to play. So I'm hoping we can get this round over with and take a break and see if the rain will stop. So if he shoots me, that's okay. Could be down at the Delta camp. Ferris, it's starting to rain. Better be careful. All right, so okay. How the hell can you get way over here? Must be going deaf and senile in my old age here. Just straight up this way. Okay. Oh, I see. I know exactly where he is. He's behind the wall. He should have just stayed there. I don't think it's shooting, Ferris. Check your gun. Is it shooting?
No.
Okay, pause game.
Hey guys, it's me, Ferris Frost, Ziggy Sweet Son. We're gonna discuss the rounds that happened. So, you've seen his perspective. So yeah, go ahead.
Well, I thought the rounds went well. I won the first one, and we were
Tell some stories. Tell some stories about.
Well, we were in the middle of the second round, and it started to rain, so we had to stop because we don't want our guns to get all wet. They're brand new, and I don't know.
Tell me can you tell them how you felt in some rounds here and then?
Well, a lot of times I was scared as I was filming because, you know, you don't want to get hit. It does sting a bit, so I was hiding down, kneeling down behind a couple of trees, and Ferris Frost was shooting bullets at me, and it was like raining, and it was being sprayed, and you can hear him go phew, 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 right by me. It was pretty cool, and so it gives it that more realistic effect. And it was kind of creepy, and he did get me a few times. I did win the first round, and we didn't get to complete the second round, but he was winning, so I'm just going to say Ferris Frost wins the second round for sure. So we each won one. It's our first time with these guns. We got them for Christmas, and yeah. Lots more videos to come. Okay, your turn.
Okay, so you kind of missed the first round. One of the first round. My dad, I was shooting, and he's trying to run away, and one of them hit him, and that was awesome. How'd you felt when I just went full auto and I got you that one round? How'd you feel?
Well, I was like, oh, shh. Like that. Yeah, so we don't need to say that. But yeah, I was nervous. I get worried about getting hit in the fingernail because that really does hurt. And we don't wear gloves, so I don't know. Maybe that's something I should invest in. but I was worried.
Mom, it's brown and smells like shh. Okay, anyways. This was so fun. When I was behind that one area, right when I listened to the recording, it sounded like actual gunshots going off. I'm like, oh. But, here. Can you ask me a question of how I felt in some
How did you feel, Ferris Frost, when I decided to take the chance and just put it on full auto and then run around the wall just blasting bullets at you?
I just felt, holy don't do me, don't kill me, please, I'll put my hands up. No.
Okay.
That's my reaction. That's how I felt. I felt like scared, like, don't kill me.
You surrender, yes or no? Yes or no?
What?
If you surrender, I win.
I know.
I win?
Yes.
Okay, game.
Like in shock. I felt in shock so.
And did I kill you?
Yes. Yes, like, you didn't kill me, but I gave up.
Oh yeah, that's right. I did get you the one time, like that way. But yeah, it's a lot of fun. So we are in the bunker right now because it is raining a little bit. So we got this cool bunker, and here, check it out. Oh, the rain is slowed down. So we got a big,
let's go.
big bunker.
Slow down.
All right, so
Breathe.
here we go. I guess we'll do some more.